Hello, welcome to InsureFit, based in Blackburn, Lancashire. Vehicle security installer, van converter, fleet management as well. So today we've got a Fiat in for an attacked door. So it's been attacked here, attacking the lock mechanism, and they've also had a go at the hook lock as well. This is the Vauxhall Vivaro or Renault Traffic sort of vehicle. So we'll show you how we go about repairing this. Couple of things it does. You don't have to go through insurance if you don't need to. It's cheaper to put plates on this than replace a door. If you put a door on, it happens again the week after, you're back to square one. So if we can plate it up, we'll use some custom plates that we've had made to protect this, and we'll show you where we go from there. So we're going to start this process by just repairing the door, straightening everything up, getting it all back to how it should be. Time served panel beater back in the early years. When I left school, I went straight into a body shop, so I quite enjoy doing this kind of repair work using the dollies and the planching hammers. So we'll get everything nice and square again, strip the door panels off and the ply lining. Repairing the lower section of this door now, again using the dollies and the planching hammer. We've taken the lock mechanism out just to get access to that damaged area. We tape everything up. This allows us to spray as much zinc primer on and wax oil as we can get on there really. This prevents any rust from seeping through from the damage. It also protects the area as well. Allows us to make any necessary marks that we need to when we're measuring up as well. So we've loosely secured the lock and the casing. We're using the template for the anti-drill plate, or the repair plate in this case. We're just going to mark out and drill around where this plate would fit. We won't actually secure the lock mechanism in place until we've got the outer plate secured and looking right. We do take the brake light out on these as well, as there's a wire that runs down that door, so we don't want to catch that with the drill or the air saw when we're cutting around this area. As you can see, we zinc prime everything up. The use of that tape there, it just means that it's not going all over the door. We can get as much on as we want as well. A bit of wax oil just to finish it off, all the holes that we've drilled. Just a bit of extra protection really. The plate's fitted over our deadlock or a hook lock. Re-secured using the nail locks that go on the inside of the door. We will as well just check at this point the door lock is locking correctly into the opposite door. We have fitted a new case, new latch on there as well, so it's a whole new hook lock case and latch as well, so we can make sure that the deadlock is doing as it should be, and the door's opening and closing. It's all nice and flush with the other door. Just get it back to as factory looking as possible really. It's not a bent and twisted door. The brake light's gone back in. Here you can see us checking the hook lock. We're now onto the lower section. We've marked this up. Again, drilling, we're going to treat it. So this is all done before the external anti-drill plate's gone on. This plate's designed to protect that interior latch mechanism. Thankfully they've not done any damage. The interior latch mechanisms are quite expensive unfortunately, so if yours has been damaged, it's an extra cost. Like I say, we have sped this process up. It's taken me about 45 minutes to repair this door. Again, quicker, more efficient than the door being in the body shop. So again, plenty of wax oil, plenty of zinc primer. This just protects the damage. Internal door plate put back on. We'll give the whole job a clean up, blow off any swarf, make sure there's no metal fragments left anywhere, give it a good wipe away. That's it, job done. As you can see, we've now rectified the holes, we've straightened up the doors, and the van is now secure again. Replacement door lock at the top. So as you can see now, the van is now being re-secured. We've got the plate at the top, we've straightened all the door up there, we've put plenty of primer on, plenty of wax oil so that won't go rusty. We've done the same down here, so this is now protecting the mechanism again. It can be used as a temporary or a permanent fix for these vans, but what we've done is save the door from an insurance claim or a body shop repair, so that this van can now go back out earning its money as it should be doing, with a bit more security on there than previous.
If this is something you're interested in or your van has been broken into, InsureFit are an approved locks of vans installation centre. We're the only combined locks of vans and Starline installer within the Northwest as well. So if you're looking for more security than the locks, which would be an electronic system such as an alarm, an immobiliser, Starline, etc., we can fit this for you all in-house. We don't need any subcontractors. It's all done in-house by our trained installers. Give us a call on 01254 200 211. Thanks for watching this video.